Welcome to Hi Channel. Today, please go with us to the heart of Florida's sun-drenched Gulf Coast as we stroll through the vibrant and artsy waterfront city of St. Petersburg. Our walk begins at the colorful Welcome to St. Petersburg sign on 5th Street, just outside the bustling downtown core. This retro-style marker captures the vintage charm and bold personality of St. Pete, the perfect photo op to begin your adventure. Heading southeast, we arrive at one of the city's crown jewels, the Dalí Museum. This striking building, with its flowing glass facade known as the Enigma, houses the largest collection of Salvador Dalí's surrealist masterpieces outside of Spain. Even if you don't enter, the sculpture garden and waterfront promenade outside are worth lingering over. Right next door lies Whitted Park, a serene green space perched along the marina. With palm trees swaying in the breeze, benches facing the sailboats, and the occasional small aircraft taking off from the nearby airport, it's the perfect spot to soak in the salt air and laid-back vibe of the bayfront. From there, we stroll northward along Bayshore Drive, a scenic route hugging the glistening Tampa Bay shoreline. This breezy path offers panoramic views of the waterfront, passing by luxury yachts, tropical landscaping, and the gentle hum of bike riders and joggers. Soon we arrive at Demens Landing Park, home to the Demens Landing historical landmark, which commemorates Peter Demens, the railroad magnate who brought the railroad to the area and gave the city its name. This spacious peninsula park is ideal for picnics and offers dramatic views of boats sailing into the harbor. Continuing north along the waterfront, we reach the vibrant St. Pete Pier, a modern, award-winning destination jutting into the bay. Here, visitors can explore public art, grab food at waterfront restaurants, visit the Tampa Bay Watch Discovery Center, or just enjoy the breeze from one of the shaded swings. At night, the pier lights up with colorful installations and is a hotspot for locals and tourists alike. Next, we stroll past the North Shore Park beach volleyball courts, where the sandy courts buzz with energy as locals spike, dive, and serve against the backdrop of the calm waters. It's a true slice of the active, sun-loving lifestyle of St. Pete. From here, we begin our loop back south through the tranquil beauty of the waterfront parks. Finally, we arrive at South Straub Park on 2nd Avenue South, a lush green space with manicured gardens, shady oaks, and views of the Museum of Fine Arts across the street. This peaceful park often hosts concerts and community events and is the perfect place to reflect on the sights and sounds of your day. Thank you for strolling through St. Petersburg with us. From arts and history to breezes and beaches, this walk brings you through the soul of Florida's Sunshine City. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel journeys with Hi Channel.